and partnered with us, they were spending thousands of dollars on other lead generation strategies like paid ads, events, partnerships, and other strategies that were simply just starting to fall flat, or that they were seeing incremental returns, meaning that the dollars that they were putting in weren't equating to the dollars that they were expecting or getting initially in the investment of that activity before we stepped in. Now, after having a meeting with them, there was one critical thing that we had to change if we didn't want our campaigns to go to waste. Now, we changed their offer from we just sell t-shirts to gym owners, which is absolutely true, to something that sounds a little bit like this. We partner with gym owners to add $3,000 a year in profit to their business by building a customized apparel plan for the year so they never miss a buying opportunity. We'll make sure you never waste money on apparel orders by implementing a pre-sale strategy to your members so you're never left with incorrect t-shirt sizes or a pro shop full of last season's gear that doesn't sell.